Hi everybody, Christine here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, hello. Today I'm excited as we have a Varnail parcel. Okay, here we have it, and we love some Varnail. Now let's have a look at the box. I love this box and the way they do their packaging. It's lovely. So on it says "Oh Happy Days," and that is their email address. And then we have Facebook, TikTok, YouTube and Instagram, and then on the side it says, I think you can see that, pretty things inside. So I'm just going to put it over to one side while we get it open, and we'll take a look. Oh, and it also says thank you for shopping on the other side, which is a nice little touch. It's what we like. And then now I am an ambassador for Varnail. I have got a discount code, so please feel free to use it. I shall leave it up on screen for you. Okay, so you can check it out. And I'll also, look at this. And I'll also leave the link in the description box with my discount code, and you can check it out. Now look, I love this bubble wrap. So you've got the heart bubble wrap inside. Ooh. Now, as you know, I do love Varnail. They are really nice products, especially to work with. So let's get it out. So in here it says we have a Varnail Professional Nail Gel Polish. Show your nails, shine your life. Soak off UV LED, and this is a 6 colours set. The bottles are 15 mils, sorry. So let me just get everything out. And then in here we've got a top coat. Oh, I haven't seen that before. A tempered top coat. So yeah, interesting. And then this one is their quick matte top coat. And then we have their base coat. Now, I love their bottles. I think they're so nice. So shall we have a little look at the consistency? So this is the base coat, which, yeah, looks like a nice consistency. Yeah, it doesn't smell too bad as well. And then we've got the top coat. Let's have a look at this one. Do you know what? Their gel polishes they don't smell that bad, you know. It's all right, I was just having a little smell. And I also love the brush because it's a nice, good brush, which I do like a nice brush. So that one's that. And then the matte top coat. Again, the same brush. Yeah, it doesn't really smell. It smells a bit. It just smells of just smells of gel polish. So let's put that there. And I like it how you get the bit on top, so you can put the colours on top if these were coloured bottles, which I'm going to show you with this one. So let's turn it over. First of all, let me just take this cellophane off it. Now this one, it does say on the side Urban Life SO4. So I think that's the actual kit. Okay, that's it. It's not glaring so much on the screen. I love the box. The box is gorgeous. So on the other side, you can see cruelty-free, vegan-friendly. All our gel polishes are made without ingredients limited to tox, whatever that word is. If you're new to my channel, I am dyslexic, but you can see. I'm not going to say it because I'm going to say it wrong. So yeah, that's all the ingredients there. And then we have, again, how to use, storage and warning and the usual stuff. And I've showed you all the Facebook and everything. They're also on Pinterest. Yeah, I didn't know that. So they're on Pinterest too. Let's open it up. The packaging's gorgeous. I love the pink and the gold. I mean, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Love, love, love. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, so I've got them out of the packaging. They all have got numbers. They start from 19 to 24, and they have got names. Now, can we just check out this packaging? Let me just move these over. Can we just check out the packaging? I love the gold. I love the gold. Now, usually I've got a few of their gels. Okay, I have reviewed these before, so if you want to check my video out, I'll leave the videos in the description box, so check them out. Now, I like this packaging, but this packaging, this packaging gets me every time. Pink and gold, both of my favourites. Now, let's have a look at the colours. So we've got Milk Almond. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's like an off-white, which is really, really nice. I like. Now, yeah, it's funny how this company all smells the same, but they don't smell like other gel polishes. Now, the next one is Mango. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Perfect for fall and Halloween. Love, love, love. We have we have Terracotta. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. These are really gorgeous colours. Yeah, I like. Mocha, and whatever that word is, you can see it. I won't say it because I'll just say it wrong. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Bit of a lighter brown. It's sort of like a chocolatey, like a milk chocolate brown. Yeah, very nice. Then we have Stay Calm. Oh, yeah. Now that's like a dark chocolate brown. Very, very nice. I love these colours. It's good as well because I haven't got any browns. I have got like, I've got Femi Beauty, one of her kits, and that had browns in it. So, yeah, I'm quite pleased about that. Now, this one is cherry chocolate. Oh, cherry chocolate. I love cherries and I love chocolate. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, can't wait to swatch that. That is stunning. Wow. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm going to swatch them on these. I know you can swatch them and put them on the top, but I like to have them on the side of the bottles. Now, I usually use the ring ones, like these ones. But do you know what? I've got these new ones, and as these are really fancy bottles, I'm thinking I might give these ones a go. So yeah, I'm going to swatch them on these, but I am going to try the base coat. So let's have a look. I'll just show you one base coated so you can just have a look. Right, okay. I love this brush. Their brushes are nice. I just love a nice big brush, but that's nice and flat, that you can get right up into the cuticles, you know, and that have a corner and a corner. If you know, you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I do love their brushes, but yeah, the base coat feels perfect. So I'm just going to base coat them all. Right, let's go in with the first colour, which is the Milk Almond. Now, their colours, or their gels, are very opaque. They're absolutely gorgeous. So, this one is the Almond. Now, I've never painted these kind of swatch sticks before because these are new. But let me just do one coat. You've got to remember these are going on the white. I don't know if they're going to self-level. Right, we'll just leave that for that. Oh no, I ain't done that side, look. These are quite hard to paint, you know, because they're really rounded. Next one is the Mango. Oh, this colour's gorgeous. Ooh, I like this colour. This colour is lovely. Yeah, it's hard because you've got to get round the sides. It does let self-level though. I can see it is self-leveling. Yeah, that colour is stunning. Next one is the Terracotta. Like I say, the reason I'm tipping it upside down is just so it doesn't come down the sides. And it does seem to be working, so that's good. Ooh, another gorgeous colour. What a beauty. And you get nice big bottles as well, which is good. And they're so affordable. I mean, you think, gorgeous packaging. And they're not expensive, you know. And use a discount code as well. Gorgeous. Now, they have, I think they've got a sale on. I'm going to turn that. See, these are hard to paint. Right, next one is the Mocha one. Another gorgeous one. This is so, it's just, this one reminds me of milk chocolate. It really does. And Stay Calm. So yeah, if you do get these swatch sticks, they come from Shein. They're really nice. I do like them, but you have to make sure you get round the sides, which is quite tricky because they're close. And on top, like I said, the gels do self-level. Okay, the last one, cherry chocolate. Oh, I can't wait to swatch this one. This colour is everything. I haven't got a colour like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, this is a nice colour for Halloween too. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Definitely haven't got a colour like this. I would remember. Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm just going to let that level out. Right, so this is one coat and I've put them in the lamp. And you see, absolutely gorgeous colours. Now, I am going to give them a second coat. It is quite hard to swatch them on these because they are quite, you can see, I don't know if you can see, look, see, they're quite high in the middle. And I didn't want to put too much gel on because on one of these I like to put it on thinly and not too thick. But I think you could get away with one coat, you know, if you was putting them on nails. The white ones, little bit you can see through to the white, but I'd say they're pretty good coverage. And yeah, I really like them. So I'm just going to give them a second coat. Now that's with two coats. Absolutely gorgeous. I really, really love the colours. Now I think I might matte. No, I'm going to gloss them. I am going to do them with the gloss. It says tempered. You see that? Yeah. Tempered top coat. So I'm going to give them a top coat with that and then I'll show you. I've put the hearts on the bottle. So I've given the top coat and put them on. I think they look really cute on there. I really like them. Now I am going to do a quick little design for you on some practice tips. Now don't they look gorgeous? They're going to look lovely on my shelf. Now I am using these ones. These are Glitter Planet's practice tips, just in case you wanted to know. Now, I am going to do a little design, but I'm going to fast forward it and put a little music on for you. But before I go, I just would like to say, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and press the notification bell. And if you've got any questions for me, leave them down in the comments. I'll always get back to you guys, okay? I love you all so very much. And thank you to Varnail for sending me this in PR package. And like I said, if you want to use my discount code, don't forget it's 30% off, guys, which is amazing. So I'm just going to put some music on, fast forward it, and I hope you enjoy what I'm going to put on these nails. And I'll see you later. Bye.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and show them my God. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a I said